As the saying goes, everything starts from a dream. The great dream of Raul Anselmo Randon came true in 2006 and became one of the largest foundries in the country. We are part of Randon companies, which for over 70 years have stood out as a globally renowned brand, leaders in all segments in which it operates. They also say that with great legacy comes great responsibilities, and with us, it cannot be different. Today, we honor our legacy as the leading Brazilian company in road system solutions, cast and machined components for commercial vehicles and agricultural equipment, providing solutions for the main automakers in the country in 4 units throughout Brazil, relying on the talent of approximately 1,500 employees. Our products are the result of constant reinvention and an incessant search for increasingly technological and sustainable solutions. With a portfolio comprised of products such as hubs, drums, rotors, spare parts, and machined cast components, we have a constant commitment to our customers, with trust as the basis for all relationships through an exemplary development engineering process. We have full capacity to meet the most demanding orders. Innovating